Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to deactivate your AutoCAD license. First, you can see my AutoCAD here. It is a fully licensed version, as shown. So, how can we deactivate its license? First, open this PC. Go to Local Disk, C. Then, click on the View tab at the top. And enable Hidden Items. Next, navigate to Program Data. And open the FlexNet folder. These files contain the license information. Now, delete the FlexNet folder. After deleting it, open AutoCAD again. As you can see, the license has been deactivated. It no longer opens and prompts for activation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with more technical videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. See you in the next video.